saying Monday?
That's my Monday, and my day is Monday. Get ready anytime. I'm gonna leave all of this in there. It's gonna be great.
Hey girls, it's Monday!
Friday, actually.
Friday.
Ice skating. See? Now you know how dangerous it is.
Grams!
Hey girls, so this week's theme is to make a video that you're not in except for your voice, so, yep. Hey Maggie, what are we doing?
Ice skating.
Yay! Show me your fancy skate moves. Maggie, what do you have to say?
I hope I make it out alive.
Hey Flynn!
Yeah, me too.
We're having a good time. Maggie's a liar. She was like, I'm gonna hang out with you on the wall. Just kidding, I'm not even starting on the wall. Hey Flynn, we're hanging out.
Hanging out.
Hanging out on the wall.
Guys, come on, ice
Every time I go ice skating, it sucks. Maggie, what's wrong with you? We're hanging out. Having a good time. Not embarrassing. That wouldn't be embarrassing at all. Hey look, Rose. Rose is an expert skater. She's hanging out with me as a pity date.
See, I just
Look at all these people who are much better than me. It's really good.
really spin easily, like
Really? Really easily. Shut up! So this is the time when we give up. And now we're recording everyone from the side and it's good. Maggie, what do you
I
have to say?
declare defeat.
Yeah, that. It's been a good time, I guess. My glasses are foggy. Hey guys. Hanging out. Going on the video.
Ice skating.
So when does this end?
How was that? Hey guys.
Yeah.
Hey guys, how was that? Hey guys.
Get it out alive.
Hey guys.
It feels so good to watch.
Hey.
Do it.
Hot. There's so many tweens.
Too many tweens.
Too many tweens.
on the dance floor. Too many tweens on the dance floor.
Hey, Patrick, what do you like?
Room temperature. Who's gonna climb up to the top of the building?
Phyllis and Dan are fighting.
Yeah.
Am I in the video now?
Yeah.
So I like butter and also cigars, but not always at the same time. Cause
Buttered cigars.
yeah,
That'd be gross.
Okay, every once in a while though, you know, I will dip my cigar in butter,
Yeah.
and you know,
How's that?
it brings out the aromas of the tobacco and also the butter.
The buttered tobacco.
Yeah.
All right, that's settled.
Away.
Hey Patrick,
Hi.
what are we doing?
You know what's in scones?
Say something.
Hello.
All right, it's done. Melissa and Amelia are racing via the sky.
One of your themes should probably be no videos, like it's all pictures.
Not.
Like stop motion even, or just like
Just
pictures?
pictures.